Transfer selected design and transfer design will instantly save the design to a previously selected location. That could be a folder or even your machine if it has those capabilities. This tool is conveniently located in multiple places. We see it here in the Manage Designs toolbox. If I go to a design, I can find it in the Output Design toolbox, Transfer Design, on the main toolbar as Transfer Design, and on the machine menu, Transfer Design. Let's first configure our settings. It already sees that I have a Brother single needle machine, and now I need to select a format. I'll choose PES for my Brother machine, and we do have options on some of these formats. For example, PES comes in multiple versions. Depending on your machine, or if you want to use it with the Brother software, you may have to save it in one of these older formats. PES 6 is pretty safe for that. PES 6 will still save all the colors. I'll click OK, and now choose a location. The default location is My Embroidery, My Machine Files, but you can browse to another location. That could be your machine if your machine can be seen as a device connected to your computer. You can also choose a stick. Now once I've set those up, I can instantly transfer my design to that location. I'll click Transfer here, and I get the message, it's been sent. We can also transfer selected designs from the design library. For example, if I select Lenny Llama and click Transfer Selected, it first opens the design and then it transfers it. I'll click OK.